Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to another interesting video. So dear friends, today I have bring another cute as crypto meme project on Base blockchain. So its pre-sale is live now and you can also participate and buy it in phase 1. So dear friends, I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request you if you are new on my YouTube channel, MA Crypto. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, I have placed all official links in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come and you can join this amazing platform. Dear friends, now you can invest in the future, invest in CPC, the benchmark in cryptocurrency. So dear friends, I recommended to all of you must be buy it right now before the price increase. Only 18 hours 45 minutes are left and in next phase you will check out the price mention is here. So dear friends, now let's check out how can you buy it here with Ethereum or USDT. So first of all, on the right corner here you need to connect your wallet like that. MetaMask, Trust Wallet and many more wallets are available that are capable with this website. So must be connect here and then you need to select your Ethereum or your USDT and then enter your amount how much you want to be spent and buy it here as well. So then you will check out how much you get CPC as well. So here is a purchase guide and you can easily guide and check out. So first you need to connect your wallet and earn CPC with CPC as well. So here you can also check out the Capitable wallet like that, Base and Trust wallet and Phantom, MetaMask and much more here. You can also connect any wallet here and right now and you can also buy it right now because in next phase its price will be increases as well. I also recommended to all of you must be join its community to get latest news and updates. So time until the end of the pre-sale. So pre-sale will be ended after 30 days, 18 hour and 45 minutes are left, but I recommended to all of you buy it in phase 1 because in next phase price will be increased as well. So token will be distributed within 60 minutes after the pre-sale end. So this is an opportunity for you to invest right now and then you will get this opportunity, grab this opportunity and make a lot of passive income. Now you can also copy the referral link here and you can also invite your friends, family and relatives as well as you can also get referral reward here as well. So first listing price of the exchange is here, you can also check out. Now here we can also learn more information about this project. So what is Capybara AI? So it is an innovative digital currency based on blockchains and artificial intelligence technology. So it indicates the global movement of artificial intelligence, the adorable natures of animals and the world of crypto trading. Its aim to combine the decentralized, secure and transparent nature of blockchains with the intelligence and data and analytical capital of AI to provide users with secure, efficient and intelligent digital asset management and trading services as well. Now here you can also check that AI enhancement trading, more convenient and faster, zero transaction fees. So Capybara coin does not charge any transaction fees and real life applications. So can be used for payments in everyday life and smart contract protection. So safety and transparency you can find out here. So Capybara AI is not just a cryptocurrency, it is also a synonym for a friendly attitude towards animals worldwide. So it is a product of advanced science combined humans, animals and the intelligence world, and it is the most advanced friendly crypto trading boot in the history as well. Now here we can also learn more about the Capybara CPC token economics. So dear friends, here you can also check that 10% of the total supply reserved for the private sale already ended. Now 15% reserved for the liquidity, 7% for airdrop and 5% for pre-sale reward as well. Here you can also check that 45% is up for pre-sale and its pre-sale will be ended after 30 days and now you grab this opportunity. So 10% for step 4 as well, 5% for the team and 3% for community reward as well. Now here you can also check out the token supply mentioned is here as well. Now here we can also check our stage plan, that how the things are going on. So the roadmap is so amazing. In quarter one, building the foundations, and in quarter two, grand launch and ecosystem building. In quarter three, expansions and applications are including, and in phase four, long-term views and collaborations are including as well. Now here we can also check once again how to buy a CPC. So you connect your wallet and enter your amount, how much you want to be spent from your any capable wallet, and then you can make your day as well. Now here you can also check out the frequently asked question with their answer. And dear friends, if you have any other question, you can make comments and I will reply to all of your question as well. But it must be kept in your mind that I am not your financial advisor, so before investing in this project, so do your own research as well. Now here I'll also recommend it to all of you must be join its community to get latest news and updates related to this amazing project. So this is the official Twitter account, must be follow them and get latest news and updates. So here you can also check that the cutest meme token on base and join their web community as well. Here you can also check out that 20 hours until CPC coin pre-sale starts. So it is already started, and now you can also participate right now as well. I also recommend it to all of you must be join its Telegram community to attract the growing and active community, and you can get latest news and updates as well. So dear friends, this is a golden chance for you to make your day as well. So don't miss this golden chance and must be invested here and make a lot of profit in future as well. I hope so you like this video. Share with friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.